23 plus 77 is 100.
Yo, what's up, everyone? It's LeBron James here, and today we're stepping off the court and into the classroom. But don't worry, we're still talking basketball, because today we're learning about probability. Now, don't let the word scare you. Probability is just a way to figure out how likely something is to happen. Think of it like predicting the outcome of a game or a free throw. Let's break it down. So, what is probability? In simple terms, it's the chance of something happening. We measure it as a fraction or a percentage. If something has a probability of 100%, it's guaranteed to happen, like me working hard every day. On the other hand, if the probability is 0, it can't happen, like me quitting basketball to become a hockey player. Not happening. Let's start with a simple example. Imagine you're flipping a coin. A coin has two sides, heads and tails. If the coin is fair, the chance of landing on heads is 1 out of 2, or 50%. Same for tails, 1 out of 2, or 50%. Pretty simple, right? Now let's take it to the court. Say I shoot 10 free throws in practice, and I make 8 of them. What's the probability I make my next free throw? It's 8 out of 10. Or 80%. That's a high probability, but it's not guaranteed. Practice makes perfect, and that's why I put in the work every day. Okay, your turn to think. Imagine you're rolling a 6-sided die. What's the probability of rolling a 3? I'll give you a second. Got it? The answer is 1 out of 6 because there's 1 3 on the die and 6 possible outcomes. Let's make it a little trickier. What's the probability of rolling a number greater than 4? Well, the numbers greater than 4 are 5 and 6. That's 2 outcomes. So, the probability is 2 out of 6, or 1 out of 3 when you simplify it. That's about 33%. Nice work if you got it. Now let's bring it back to basketball. If I'm shooting 3-pointers, and I've made 3 out of 5 attempts, the probability of me making the next one is 3 out of 5, or 60%. But probability doesn't mean it's guaranteed. Even the best players miss shots. It's all about playing the odds and staying consistent. Let's switch it up with something you see every day: weather. If there's a 70% chance of rain tomorrow, that means out of 10 days with similar conditions, it might rain on 7 of those days. But it's not guaranteed. It could rain, or it might not. That's how probability works. Now let's talk about combining probabilities. This is where it gets exciting. Say I'm rolling 2 dice. What's the probability of rolling a 6 on both? Well, the chance of rolling a 6 on 1 die is 1 out of 6. For 2 dice, you multiply. 1 6x 1 6, we're in 136. So there's a 1 in 36 chance of rolling double 6s. Pretty rare, but not impossible. Here's the basketball twist. If I make 3-pointers 40% of the time, and my teammate makes them 50% of the time, what's the chance we both make 1 in a row? You multiply the probabilities. 0.4x 0.5, 0.2, or 20%. Now let's finish strong with a little quiz. Ready? Imagine you have a bag with 3 red balls and 2 blue balls. What's the probability of randomly picking a red ball? Think about it. There are 3 red balls out of 5 total balls, so the probability is 3 out of 5, or 60%. Got it? You're crushing it. So why is probability important? Whether you're predicting game stats, planning a strategy, or even just figuring out the weather, probability helps you make better decisions. It's not about guarantees. It's about playing smart and understanding the odds. All right, that's it for today's lesson. Remember, probability is everywhere, from the court to the classroom. Stay curious, keep learning, and as always, work hard to achieve your goals. Thanks for hanging with me today. Let's go get those W's. On and off the court. LeBron out.